Hey everybody, it's Ro from the Tech Fairies. So I got the Happy Planner Be Happy box. It was available on July 4th for a limited time, and I purchased one. So it came double boxed. So this box was inside of another brown box, and I have opened the box, but I haven't actually taken anything out. I had been under the weather for a couple of days, and so today I'm actually going to open up all of my goodies and share this experience with you. So here is my Be Happy box. Again, it was an exclusive box from the Mambi or Happy Planner website. So inside is a Be Happy box. You got this little, you got this. See? Happy things inside. So these are all the items that came in the Be Happy box. And it says that these designs are exclusive to the Be Happy box. So we're going to go through them here together. Also got a sticker. Very cute. I choose happy. Ooh, look. 10% off your next purchase using the code HAPPIER. Okay. And so let's take this. Let's take these items out. Put my box there on the floor. So first thing, oh, look at this. There's a piece of cardboard that's stuck there. So you get this exclusive tote here with this pen. I'll show you what this pen looks like. It says plan a happy life. How cute is that? Okay, and then you get this tote. It says be happy. It is definitely big enough. There are no outside pockets though. Look at the back here. Live creatively. Oh, that's so cute. So no outside pockets or zippers, just a really nice tote to carry all your planner supplies in. Let's put that over. Show you one more time. Isn't it cute? Okay. And then here are the items in the Be Happy box. We'll go through. Let's see here. Open this up. Let's take this out here. So, it's your happy day. Oh, how cute. I'll actually put it over here. Alright. So, we have, ooh, look at these little envelopes. So cute. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, they can fit my mini or the classic or the big planner. I think I might use this for my memory planner. And you get another one. I'll leave that there so you can still see it. How cute is this? I really like this. So you get 2 of those. Oh my goodness. You get, this is a sticker book. Right, I've never seen a sticker book like this before. Let's open it up here. What kind? Sorry for the background noise, that's my fan. It's quite hot here in my room. So these are like, it's like a sticker pad, and then you get sticky notes. And look at this, not only is it punched on this side, it's double-sided. Oh wow, I really like that. So they're not sticky, so they just can put right into your planner. Look at this one. Let's look at this here. Look at the hexagons. These are adorable. Look at these. They're so cute. Sometimes I think I don't want to use the stickers. They're so cute, but I need to remember it's okay to use them. I really do like this double-sided quarter. It's like a quarter third sheet of notes. That is very cute. Oh, look at that! Glitter stickers! So I still need to get the glitter sticker book. Look at these. Oh, I see. I love this color. So I'll get those. And stamps. Okay, so I've never actually stamped anything in my planner. As a teacher, I've used stamps before, but not in my planner. Oh, these are cute. So you have one that says be happy, a checklist one. I love this box one here. Brain dump. Yay! I love the brain dump note sheets. To do. Ooh, okay. Feeling inspired. Oh, look at this dashboard. Kind heart, brave soul. So, little too big to use in my mini, but definitely a good size for my big or my classic planner. Look how gorgeous this paper is. Today, tomorrow. Look at the floral. I think they're all the same. Let's see here. Yes, they are. And with the gold foil. Look at that. These are adorable. And then this is just too cute. Plan a Happy Life. It is a planner cover on here. Wow. I can't wait to use all these items. Thanks for joining me on opening up my Be Happy box. This is definitely, I got it on Tuesday, but I had been under the weather, so I hadn't had a chance to go through it, so I'm glad I was able to share this with you. If you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the little notification bell too as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!